Let's say you see this kind of equation in your chemistry JAMB exam. How will you solve it? This question is very simple. Let us solve it together. What is the concentration of a solution containing 2 grams of sodium hydroxide in 100 centimeter cube of solution? You can see this question. What are they asking for? They are asking for concentration. In what? In moles per dm cube. You can see all our options are in moles per dm cube. Now, the question is, what is the formula for concentration? Formula for concentration is what? In concentration in moles per what? Dm cube. So it's going to be mole over volume. This is the formula we are going to use to solve this question. Now, what did they give us? They give us containing 2 grams. 2 grams is what? Is mass. They gave us the mass, which is what? 2 grams. Now, did they give us the mole? They didn't give us. Did they give us the volume? Okay, they give us the volume to be 100 centimeter cube. So volume is what? 100 centimeter cube. Now, don't forget, in this formula, ensure that your volume is always in dm cube. It's always in dm cube because it is very important. But they give us our volume in 100 centimeter cube. So we need to convert this 100 centimeter cube to what? To dm cube. Now, the question is that how many centimeter cube makes 1 dm cube? Centimeter cube, centimeter cube, dm cube, decimeter cube. Dm cube is the same thing as 1 liter, right? So let me just quickly write dm cube. 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. You need this information. So now, this one is in centimeter cube. So we need to convert it to dm cube. So now, if you want to convert centimeter cube to dm cube, you need to divide this by 1000. So you'll be having something like 100 divided by 1000, right? Right? So if you divide it, it's going to give you 1 over 10, which is what? 0.1. So this 100 centimeter cube is same as 0.1 dm cube. So you need to convert your volume to dm cube before you use it to solve at all, right? So now they didn't give us the mole. We can calculate mole. Mole has a formula, right? Just write 0.1 dm cube. Mole has a formula, right? So now, mole, what is the formula to calculate mole? Mole has a formula, and that formula is what? Mass over molar mass. Mass over molar mass. Molar mass, right? You know they gave us the mass, but they didn't give us the molar mass. So we need to calculate the molar mass ourselves, right? So if you are taking JAMB 2026, my tutorial during just this JAMB 2025, we produce excellent students. You can see their results up here on the screen. And we are also hosting a JAMB tutorial for everybody this year, science students specifically. We'll be taking subjects like chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, and use of English. And this tutorial, it is 5,000 naira per month for four subjects. So if you want to join, no problems. Send me a message on this number on WhatsApp that you're interested in joining the premium classes, or click on the link on my bio and then select the option to join Maskem premium classes, and I will add you to the classes so you can make your payments. So now let us continue with our solvings. Now we need to calculate the mole. I said mole, it has a formula of what? Mass over molar mass. They gave us the mass to be what? 2 grams. So 2 grams. What is the molar mass? Molar mass of what? Sodium hydroxide. So now, for sodium is 23, so you are going to write 23 plus oxygen. Oxygen is what? 16 plus 16 plus hydrogen. Hydrogen is what? 1. That's the atomic number of hydrogen. I'm sorry, atomic mass. Still atomic number. Hydrogen is a very, very sweet person. So now, you're going to have 2 over, if you add all of this together, you have 40. So that's going to give you what? 1 over 20, right? Which is going to give you 0.05 moles. 0.05 moles. So now we got our mole to be what? Our mole to be what? 0.05 moles, right? So now what we need to do is to put it inside our formula. This formula, concentration formula. Concentration is what? Mole over volume, right? I hope you know how we got this mole. We divided mass over molar mass. Our mass is 2 grams, and our molar mass is 23 plus 16 plus 1, which will give us 40. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide. So now, our concentration from concentration formula will be what? Mole over volume. Our mole is what? What do we get as our mole? 0.05. 0.05 divided by, what is our volume? Our volume in dm cube, 0.1 dm cube. 0.1. So you are going to divide it. So what is going to be our answer? 0.05 divided by 0.1. That's going to give us 0.5. 0.5. In what? 0.5 what? Moles per dm cube. Don't forget. So this is the concentration of sodium hydroxide in 100 centimeter cube of its solution. So the option answer is option B. I hope this is very simple to understand. If you have any issues, of course, you can always send me a message or drop your comments or drop your questions in the comment section and I'll attend to them. Thank you so much for listening and I'll see you guys in the next one.